Hey everyone, welcome back to Gorgeous Graphs. Let's talk about turning steady habits into something truly massive. In this scenario, we begin with an initial $10,000 investment. On top of that, $500 is added every month for 40 years. The assumed annual return is 10%, which is on the higher end but still realistic for a well-managed, growth-focused portfolio. To make the concept crystal clear, we've removed the distractions of taxes, inflation, and market volatility. This is a straight look at the math of compounding. The first part of the chart may not look exciting. The growth is there, but it's gradual. That's normal. In the early years, most of the portfolio's value comes from your contributions. But as time goes on, the compounding effect starts to accelerate. Gains produce more gains, and the snowball effect becomes obvious. By the time we hit the 40-year mark, the portfolio tops $3.1 million. Keep in mind that total contributions over this period amount to $250,000. That means over $2.8 million of the final value is growth alone. This example shows why patience and consistency are key. You don't need to hit the jackpot or make risky bets. With regular contributions, enough time, and solid returns, the math works heavily in your favor. The hardest part is simply sticking with the plan year after year. If you enjoy these clear, visual examples of long-term investing, please give this video a like and consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss future breakdowns. Alright, that's enough from me. Watch the rest of the curve rise and see compounding in action.